Hey guys, and welcome back to Craft Time Chronicles with Toya. Today I am going to be making a custom tray with an ashtray. So I spray painted my tray and my ashtray already. I'm just waiting for that to dry. But while I'm doing that, I went ahead and printed out the order from Etsy. I'm also making these little smaller trays. I need to get some alcohol ink, but I have molds to make this. And then I also going to try out my mold for my keychains. So, this is a picture frame. I haven't put a picture in it. This was my first time trying it out. And this is how it came out, but this is what the mold actually looks like. I got that from Michael's. And then here's the mold for the smaller trays. It looks like this. So I'm going to be working on a lot of these smaller ones too. So I think these are cute. I just need to get some alcohol ink so I can change the color instead of just using glitter. So we're going to be working on some of those today as well. So yeah, I'm going to print out my image on my Cricut machine, and then I'll be back. Guys, this is some of the lighters that I made too. So this one is like still with a big sign showing. And then this one is a wrap. So just wrapped all the way around. Here's the tray, the white tray. Here's the vinyl that's already cut. I just need to weed it and place it on the image. And then I will epoxy it. Alright, so this is the black ashtray, and I'll just spray paint it white. Alright, so I printed out the image. I weeded both of my images. This one is for the ashtray. This one is for the tray. I have my tray right here. I'm just going to center it. And by the way, this is sticky tape that I had to transfer it to. I'm sorry, transfer tape. And it just goes right on the tray. Then I will epoxy it. And then same thing for the ashtray. Same thing for the ashtray. Just place it, center it right in the middle. Alright, so here's the tray with the ashtray. Now I'm just going to epoxy them and